Welcome to this meditation to release anxiety and embrace peace. Let's begin by finding a quiet place where you can sit comfortably or lie down without any distractions. As you get into a comfortable position, allow your body to relax. Allow your spine to grow tall and straight. Drop your shoulders back and down away from your ears. Rest the palms of your hands on your lap facing up or next to you if you're lying down. Allow your eyes to gently close, signaling your body that this time is for you. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, filling your lungs with air, and then slowly exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you. Breathing in deeply, breathing out slowly. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to any areas in your body where you feel tension or discomfort. With each exhale, imagine releasing the tension and letting go of any anxiety that may be stored in those areas. Now shift your focus to your thoughts and emotions. Notice any anxious thoughts or worries that may be arising. Take this time to acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine placing them on a mental cloud. Visualize this cloud gently floating away from you, carrying your anxious thoughts and worries with it. Watch the cloud drift further and further away, gradually dissipating into the sky. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming lighter, as if a weight is being lifted off your shoulders. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a sense of calm, peace, and serenity. Feel this soothing energy fill your body and mind. As you exhale, imagine releasing any remaining tension or anxious energy. Picture it flowing out of your body, leaving you feeling lighter and more relaxed with each breath. Take a moment to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas that may still hold any tension. Gently direct your breath and attention to those areas, inviting them to relax and release. Now focus on your heart space, envisioning it as a beacon of light. With every inhale, this light grows brighter and stronger, radiating peace and calm throughout your body. With every exhale, release any lingering anxiety or stress, letting it flow out of you and into a lake where it is transformed into tranquility. Repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. With each breath, I release anxiety and welcome peace. I am grounded in the present moment, safe and calm. I embrace tranquility, letting it fill me with serenity. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, feeling their truth and power. Sit with this sense of peace, letting it envelop you, reassuring you that you are safe, you are at peace. Continue to breathe deeply and fully, allowing yourself to relax further with each breath. Stay in this relaxed state for as long as you like, allowing any anxiety or worry to dissipate and the calmness to deepen as I go quiet for a bit. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to this beautiful sacred space and returning back to yourself as a whole, back to the ebb and flow of your breath, back to your center. Hold yourself with loving kindness for the beautiful, unique being that you are. Notice any sounds around you, near or far. Notice the sensation of air on your skin, bringing you to the present. Bring your awareness back into your body by wiggling your fingers and your toes and gently moving your head from side to side. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. With the closing of our meditation, thank yourself for taking this time just for you. carry this newfound sense of calm and peace with you. Remember, this tranquility is always within reach, a breath away, waiting to embrace you whenever you need it. I'm sending you love and light.